Ay, mga squaw. Sige mo travel.
Sig travel. How to be squaw. What's up guys? Kazumba. Focus on me. Hey guys, this is CJ Shada and welcome back to my channel. So, tonight is the night, Joe. Tonight is called Travel Leaders Night by Cebu Pacific. So, this is an event sa Cebu Pacific. Yan namin dari sa Balay sa Busay, of course, Pasay. Namula ko yung energy. Okay. Nainom kong kape ganiha, pero mga like 2 PM pa to siya niya. I did some editing and stuff and all kabisi ba si Ninja Tito eh. So first time na pamapila ni Travel Leaders Night and I don't know say na adre. Sit back and relax and enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share, fish and laugh. Buhok eh. Tadang! Rag zombie sa Walking Dead. Bad ankle. Tumbukan na ako eh. Pag-diet na ko.
Ano sa inyo makita ko po napay chance.
Napay chance.
Kana dito makita.
Napakuli also napay chance. Kapanis Miguel. Kumot yung Batanes. Today's video is gonna be a raw vlog, so sorry for my zoom in face.
Kainan na.
Best part of the vlog. Bukok ko eh. Mukha ko na ito. Abi ba na pag diet ko guys, kinambok na kayo ko. Pero si Tausi. 5 minutes later.
Okay, so we're very happy to share this with you.
All today, gonna mag-games with today. Nag-group na Premiere Pro. Yeah, we're team purple. Let's go.
Not to open it until I say so.
Okay.
Okay? Do not open it yet. Do not open it yet. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! And solve the puzzle. Redemption! The fort! I think this is
Cebu beautiful na lang. Beautiful na lang.
How about this? What's your group name, guys? What's your group name? What do you call it? So beautiful with the heart. What's your cheer? Go ahead.
We are confidently beautiful with a heart.
Yes. What's your group name?
Go! Sure ka go? Vlogger ba ni? Sure ka go? Asa? Arita? Sure na ka go? Sure ka go? Sure go!
According to the Guinness Book of World Records,
Oh my God.
what do you call the largest permanent light and sound show which can be found in Hong Kong in 10? Answers up! Symphony of Lights, the light show, Symphony of Lights, Disneyland fireworks. The correct answer is Symphony of Lights! Common word in Singlish that is in the online version of the Oxford English Dictionary in one.
I have friends.
Answers up! La 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 is the correct answer! One, let's go! The potential winning destinations of your group. So it's a destination. We have a trip from Cebu to Incheon, Cebu to Narita, Cebu to Macau, Cebu to Singapore.
Cebu to Cebu.
You can potentially win this. Your first to seventh. And the winner is... Come on, get here! It's beautiful! Once again, you will receive an email.
Oppa! That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more vlogs for you real soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love.